In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock time on Fresha, a full 2025 guide designed to make your scheduling as seamless as possible. If you're looking to free up some slots on your Fresha calendar, perhaps to accommodate new bookings or adjust your schedule, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. The first step in this process is to access your partner account on Fresha. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Fresha partner dashboard. You might want to have your login credentials handy if you're not already logged in. Once you reach the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's packed with helpful features, but today we'll primarily focus on the calendar functionality. Next, look towards the top of your screen and click on the calendar tab. It's usually located in the main navigation bar, making it easy to find. Clicking on this tab will take you directly to your calendar view. In the calendar, you can see all your bookings, services, and importantly, any blocked off time slots. This visual overview is a fantastic way to keep track of your appointments and availability at a glance. Now, locate the specific block time segment you wish to unblock. Take a close look through the calendar to identify these time slots that are currently set as unavailable. Be meticulous here, as you don't want to accidentally alter a time slot that should remain blocked. Once you've found the correct block time on your calendar, go ahead and click on it. This action brings up a new window or sidebar with detailed information about that block time slot. Within this window, you'll see various options, but we're interested in the one that will allow us to remove the block. You'll notice a delete icon somewhere on this interface, generally represented by a trash can icon. This is your next step. Click on the delete icon and prepare to confirm your action. A confirmation prompt typically appears after you click the delete icon. It's an essential step to ensure that no accidental deletions occur. So when this prompt pops up, go ahead and click on the delete button to confirm your choice. Once you've done that, the time slot will be unblocked, freeing up that time on your calendar for new appointments or other activities. Always double check your calendar afterward to ensure the times are now available as expected. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your calendar by unblocking time on Fresha. This skill is incredibly valuable for keeping your schedule flexible and responsive to your needs or your clients. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out other tutorials to unleash the full potential of your Fresha account.